Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make Toffee Vodka. First, gather your ingredients and equipment. You'll need 1 liter of your favorite vodka, 200 grams of soft, chewy toffees, and a large, clean glass jar with a tight-fitting lid. Make sure all your toffees are unwrapped and ready to go. This simple preparation ensures a smooth start to our delicious homemade liqueur. Now, let's get to the infusion. Carefully place all 200 grams of your unwrapped toffees into the clean glass jar. Next, pour the full 1 liter of vodka directly over the toffees. Secure the lid tightly to ensure no air gets in. Give the jar a good, gentle shake to help the toffees start their dissolving journey. This is where the magic begins. Patience is key for perfect toffee vodka. Store your sealed jar in a cool, dark cupboard. Remember to shake the jar vigorously at least once every day. This helps the toffees dissolve evenly and fully infuse their flavor into the vodka. Keep shaking daily until you see no solid toffee pieces remaining, which usually takes about 3 to 5 days. Once all the toffee has dissolved, it's time to finish. Strain your toffee vodka through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove any tiny residual bits. This ensures a smooth, clear liqueur. Pour the finished product into a clean, decorative bottle. Serve your homemade toffee vodka chilled, either as a delightful shot or as a unique addition to your favorite cocktails. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.